Okay, so the next step is you're going to open up your template. It already has the plan view and the north elevation in place for you. It has the title panel done, plan view and elevation, birdhouse if you're extending the name of your birdhouse. If it has a special name, you can type that in here. The scale will remain at 1:1, the sheet size A3 north. Change the date to your date when you've done the artwork and put your full name, first and last name, and sheet number 01. Okay, so now we've got the plan view. Now your building has to line up, aligned with the left outside of the line, and your measurements go along the top and down the right-hand side. So that's where we're going to start. We know that our building is 150 by 150 millimeters. So what we're going to do is, in the tool palette, now if you don't have a tool palette that shows you two layers like that, then go to Window, Workspace, Essentials Classic. And if you open up that, then it will give you 2 rows. If you don't have 2 rows there, they're all hidden underneath each other, and you've got these little arrows that you have to click down on to show you more information, like so, like that. But for this, you're going to the rectangle tool, and you're going to click on the background once, and that means that it will give you allow you to type in what you want. You know that the dimensions of the base are 150, and then you type in 150 and then tab, it'll take you into the next one. No need to highlight or delete anything, and that type on top 150. Okay, so you have a box, but we don't want a box, we want to switch that. So in the tool palette, you've got your black fill and you've got your no outline. So we're going to switch that with this arrow here. And now we've got our arrow. We know that the building is 9 millimeters for the wood. So we're going to pick 9 to make the stroke 9 millimeters. And as you see there, now it's extending the line outside of the dimension lines of the birdhouse. So that would make it wider than what we actually want. So we have to go to stroke and down to align stroke. We're going to align stroke within. So on the inside. So now you see the blue guideline is on the outside and everything else is contained within. So now we have the structure of our building. And that's the most important thing. And with the selection tool, we'll move it down into place. You can move it properly later.